The neutral grip seated machine shoulder press is an exercise that primarily targets the anterior deltoids on the front of the shoulders. The primary benefit of using a neutral grip versus a palms facing out grip is it may reduce stress on the shoulder joints, making it a safer and more comfortable option for those with shoulder issues or limited mobility. Here's how to do it correctly. Position the seat so the handles are at shoulder level when seated. Sit on the machine with your back firmly against the backrest with your feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Grab the handles with a neutral grip with your palms facing inward toward each other. Tighten your core muscles to stabilize your torso while keeping your back flat against the backrest and your head aligned with your spine. Exhale as you push the handles upward in a controlled manner as you extend your arms fully while keeping a slight bend in your elbows at the top to avoid locking out the joints. During this lift, avoid arching your back by keeping it pressed against the backrest at all times. Inhale as you slowly lower the handles back to the starting position, ensuring the weights do not rest at the bottom. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.